So here's how to change the camera settings on FC25. So begin by launching the game and accessing the home page. This is the home page. Then select the settings icon in the upper left corner. Now select settings and choose game settings. Now within the game settings, use your R1 or the L1 button and go to the camera settings. And from here, you can change the cameras for different game modes. So for instance, the single player camera. This is whereby when you're playing offline or online or one alone, so you can come here and adjust the camera to suit your needs. So as you adjust, you can see a preview of what each camera is all about. So from here, choose the camera option you desire. The same goes to the multiplayer camera. This is whereby you play offline matches, but you're playing with someone else. Like when you're playing with your friend, you can adjust the camera from here. This one, locked to a player camera, is whereby maybe you've decided to lock the camera to a particular player. So you can change it to suit each of your needs, or rather, suit your camera needs. Then you can come and change the club's camera. So you can choose whichever camera you prefer. So in the new rush mode camera, you can also change the camera you desire. And also when you play a career as a goalkeeper, you can change the camera to suit your gameplay. Additionally, you can customize the camera settings to suit your needs. So come to custom camera settings and select custom. And from here, you can either increase the height or reduce the height. You can also adjust the camera zoom. You can adjust the far side focus. You can adjust the ball tracking speed. You can adjust the penalty area zoom and all other camera settings that are available. And once done, just exit the settings and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.